Top 3 websites to find jobs in NYC. Looking for work in New York City can feel simple at first. Then you open a job board, see thousands of listings, and realize the real problem is not finding jobs. It is finding the right jobs before your time disappears. That is where most people get stuck. They use the biggest site, send the same application everywhere, and wonder why nothing changes. But in NYC, one website can be better for speed, another for visibility, and one stands out for a reason people usually notice too late. And that final detail is what can make your search feel a lot more real.
What makes a job site worth using?
The best site usually depends on how you want to get hired. Some platforms are built for volume, where you can filter fast and apply quickly. Others work better when recruiters are the ones finding you. In New York, there is also a huge difference between a site that only shows openings and one that helps with resume support, interview prep, or access to local hiring programs. That extra layer matters more here than in many other cities. Option 3, Indeed. Fast and broad. If your goal is speed, Indeed is still one of the easiest places to start. The New York search pages are packed with roles across hospitality, retail, admin, warehousing, healthcare support, customer service, and more, which makes it useful when you need momentum quickly. The strength here is simple. You can search by borough, pay, job type, and distance without much friction. The downside is just as real. If your search is too broad, Indeed can flood you with jobs that look relevant but do not really match your level or goals. So this works best for people who already know the title they want and want a lot of openings fast. Option 2. LinkedIn. Better when visibility matters. LinkedIn gets stronger when you are not just applying, but trying to be noticed. Its New York jobs pages are massive, and many listings show how recently they were posted, which helps when timing matters. This is especially useful for office roles, sales, marketing, operations, tech, design, and management. In those spaces, your profile often acts like a second resume. A strong headline, clean experience section, and active profile can make a real difference. The catch is the LinkedIn rewards presentation. If your profile is empty, old, or unclear, you lose much of the platform's advantage. But if you want visibility plus applications, it usually gives you more room to stand out. Option 1, Workforce One, the NYC edge most people miss.
For many job seekers in New York, the most underrated option is Workforce One.
It is built around helping New Yorkers connect to jobs that fit their background, while also offering one-on-one support, interview help, and access to free training. Services are available online, by phone, and in person across the 5 boroughs. That matters because the strongest advantage in NYC is not always more listings. Sometimes it is better positioning. If a site helps you search, prepare, and connect with local opportunities at the same time, your chances often feel less random. And that closes the loop from the start. The best website is not always the biggest one. If you want fast volume, Indeed is strong. If you want recruiter visibility, LinkedIn usually offers more. But if you want a New York-focused option with real support behind it, Workforce One is often the smartest place to build from. If you enjoyed the video, hit like, and I'll leave a video on screen that may be of interest to you. You can click it to watch. See you next time.